Kids Corner, where the fun is always here.
Welcome, friends. Today we will learn about type of senses. Are you ready? Let's start. These are the 5 senses. Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of touch.
What's next?
Smelling sense. Nose. This is your nose. It helps you smell different things. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Can you smell the fragrant flowers, the zesty citrus, or the comforting scent of fresh bread? Our sense of smell is a powerful guide to the world around us. It could be something stinky like the garbage, or something delicious, like a mug of hot chocolate.
What's next?
Taste. The tongue plays a crucial role in experiencing different flavors. Your tongue can taste sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and yummy things. You know it all because of the sense of taste.
What's next?
Touch. Touch is how your skin feels things like warmth, pressure, texture, and pain. Warmth. Imagine stepping out into the sunshine on a chilly morning. The warm rays of the sun make your skin feel cozy and happy. Pressure. When you give your friend a high five, you can feel their hand pressing against yours. Texture. Running your fingers over a bumpy surface, like a pine cone or a textured toy, helps you feel its roughness or smoothness. Pain. If you accidentally touch something hot, like a stove, your skin quickly tells your brain, ouch, that hurt. It's your body's way of protecting you from harm. This is sense of touch.
Eyes. These are the eyes. They help you see. Amazing, isn't it? Your eyes help you see things. Let's open our eyes wide and marvel at the world around us. Do you see the boat in ocean? Birds are flying.
What's next?
Hearing sense.
Ears. These are the ears. Your ears help you hear. So whenever you hear beautiful things like birds chirping, or a car blowing its horn, you know it's your sense of hearing.
So kids, today we learned about 5 senses. Let's repeat. Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smelling, sense of taste, sense of touch.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.